Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Spring is finally here, and that means it's time to get your outdoor furniture ready for all those amazing sunny days ahead. Don't worry, spring cleaning your patio furniture doesn't have to be a chore. We've got some quick tips to make it super easy. First, let's break it down by material. For HDPE and recycled plastic furniture like poly lumber Adirondacks or resin wicker, simply mix some mild dish soap with warm water. Wipe everything down with a soft cloth and rinse. For stubborn stains, a 1 to 3 vinegar and water solution works wonders. For premium natural wood pieces like teak or acacia, just gently scrub with soapy water in the direction of the grain. Want to maintain teak's honey color? Apply a protectant after cleaning, or let it naturally develop that gorgeous silver patina. It's totally up to you. For aluminum furniture, a simple wipe down with soapy water, followed by a good rinse, usually does the trick. Pro tip, you can apply automotive wax twice a year to keep it looking showroom new. Just check those ingredients first. Some chemicals aren't great for your bare skin. For wrought iron, the enemy is rust, so make sure to dry thoroughly after cleaning. Tackle any small rust spots right away with fine sandpaper and touch-up paint. And for sling or mesh furniture, clean your furniture with, you guessed it, mild soap and water. Then check for mildew. Most fabrics can handle a mild bleach solution, but vinegar works great too. Remember, eco-friendly cleaning solutions like vinegar, water, and a few drops of dish soap work just as well as store-bought cleaners for most jobs. For our complete patio furniture spring cleaning guide with detailed instructions for every material type, click the link in the description below. And if you're looking for high-quality outdoor furniture that will last for years, visit patioproductions.com and explore our huge selection of luxury patio pieces. Thanks for watching and have a beautiful spring!